Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Boxylux box. Of course, you know I didn't do first impressions, so I already started playing around with all the things inside. Now this is a quarterly box. It is an upgrade for the Boxycharm. It's an additional $28.99 a month. So when you get this box, you don't get your regular Boxycharm box, of course, and this is a value of over $250. So if you see my lashes kind of falling off, I am testing out the Eyelure pre-glue accents. I've mentioned these before, so just want to let you know that if they're falling off my face, that is why they're pre-glued, and I'm kind of playing with them. Okay, so I wanted to actually do my color pop because I know in my vlog video, if you saw that, I said that I was going to go ahead and, you know, kind of talk about the color pop set that just came out. But as you can see, it's not all in here because I took it to work. I've been testing it out. You know, I don't do first impressions. Been playing with it, and then I forgot to put it in here so I could test out or talk about it today. So I will be doing that on Tuesday's video. All right, so anyway, enough of that. Let's talk about this yummy box in here. I think this is like my favorite box ever. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm chatting it up. Okay, sorry about the glare because, you know, these aren't my regular glasses. I still can't find them. I don't know where they went. Okay, first of all, we have the Color FX Perfector Face Palette. Where is it? Okay, so here it is. Let's see what it says. It says it's a 6 must-have complexion essentials. It's one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, illuminate with 2 shimmering highlights. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So this is a $45, I'm getting blurry, $45 palette. And of course, look, it's sturdy. I've been playing with it. It comes with a huge mirror, and this is what it looks like. It's actually a really nice palette. It is travel friendly, so I really do like that about it. I like that the bronzer is like one of my favorite kind of bronzers. I'm gonna go ahead and put the finishing powder right now. The finishing powder is just a really light powder. It's not super heavy or anything like that. It was very handy when I took it on set because I kind of had everything right here. So if you're wanting something for traveling, this is actually the perfect palette to have with you. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bronzer now. So the bronzer is just a really nice color, just gives you like that sun-kissed look that I like. It's not overly pigmented or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of swatch the bronzer. So you can see it's going to give you a really nice sun-kissed look. This is a highlighter right here, or one of the highlighters. And then this is a second highlighter. So as you can see, it's not like super crazy or anything like that. Then I'm going to do the third highlighter. And then I'm going to do the blush. So these are the colors. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of the bronzer on. I just kind of like to just look a little sun-kissed. I don't like anything super crazy. I have to put my glasses on top of my head because if not, I'll lose them. Sitting here, I will lose them. Okay, so that is the bronzer. And I do like to bring it to my cheeks. Then the chin, jaw, and then I like to kind of feather out because you're always light down here. I am red from working outside. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the blush. So pretty. It's just a really nice, soft, kind of like pinky color. So you get the gist. It's a great little palette. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a highlighter. The highlighter does give a little bit more of a pop. Now, I find with this highlighter, like I'm using this color right here, it does give you a little bit of a white cast, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and do like this color, kind of like a rose gold color. So it does kind of have like kind of like a rose gold color, and then it has that really nice light one, and then it has this one that's a little bit on the golden side. But it is quite pretty. Man, I went to town with that bronzer, didn't I? I'm gonna blend that out so I don't look like I have a dirty face. Okay, anyway, I do like it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's great for traveling. Okay, the next thing I have here is the Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Now, let me see, where's that? Right here. And then this is how much it costs. It's $29. It says your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. That is true. I absolutely love them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I have been using it. Now it is a little bit softer, so it's not gonna, it's not dense or anything like that. It's just really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one for highlight. Look how pretty that is. So this is absolutely gorgeous. But go ahead and get into that shimmer and just give myself a little bit more. It's really pretty. They're really pretty. They're just really super soft, but I do like them a lot. Okay, so the next one I have here is Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. What is it? I'm trying to go in order here, so my stuff is all over the place. Okay, so this is the Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve. The iconic sculpt and boost eyebrow cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows, half of the effect. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides out effortlessly while angled brush makes precise application each time. This is a $40 product. Let's try to get it out. I don't know why I always put them in the box. I don't know why I do that. Okay, so this is it right here. It's a nice little handy guy. Then you get a nice big mirror, and then you get like the little cushion thing going on right here, and then you get this funky little brush right here. So this is a little brush, easy for traveling, and then it has a funky little spooler. The spoolie thing is kind of weird. Okay, so I do have a couple things to say about this. I am wearing it right now. Now, if you like more of a natural brow like I do, you're probably not gonna like this because I try to put this on as natural as possible, and they're still a little bit too dark. I actually used the darker or the brown because there's a brown and then there's a black. I used the brown and I felt like I was putting on the black. It was still a little bit too dark for me. So if you like a heavier brow and your eyebrows are dark, you're probably going to like this. I don't hate it, but I'm not a huge fan of it because I do like my brows to look a little bit more natural. I don't like them to look like they're painted on. I don't know if that's what they look like now, but I don't hate it, but I'm absolutely not really in love with it. Okay, so that's what I gotta say about that. Okay, the next thing we have here is the Wonder Beauty Lift and Purifying and Brightening Peel Mask. I love anything that's going to brighten my skin. Oh, good Lord, I dropped. Oh my God. I'm dropping everything. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm a hot mess. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm messing around. Okay, containing a blend of skin-loving Acne, whatever. I'm the worst at pronouncing stuff. Okay, berry, blueberry, green tea leaf extracts, the Wonder Beauty Lift of Purifying and Brightening Peel of Mask. Instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by the Colon clay. Why do they always have these words that I cannot pronounce? Okay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly, peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So I did use this. I really do like it. It has like a pearlescent kind of like little deal to it. Now you have to put a good amount of this on your face because if you don't, it's not going to come off as easily. When you do put a good amount, it just comes off effortlessly. It's really nice. It feels good. When you peel it off, I do see like a little bit of a difference and stuff like that. I don't know about brightening, but I do like it. I think Wonder makes like a lot of great products. So I'm going to continue to use this because I really do like it. Now, like I said, this is, or did I say, this is a $34 mask. So, man, this is a good box. Okay, Lilly lashes. Okay, I'm obsessed with lashes. I love Lilly lashes. I think she has some of the most beautiful lashes. This is what they look like. I have not used them yet, but you can't really go wrong with Lilly lashes. I mean, come on. Okay, so it says, add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition Fox Mink Gaia pair of Lilly lashes. A wing style cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. These are $24.99 and I'm like obsessed with them. I've not used them, so I'm excited. Now, I did mention before in a couple of videos that because I use my lashes constantly over and over like we all do, one of the glues that I feel like peels off a lot easier than like the dual is House of Lashes glue. I really like that glue. So just to let you know, it's great because sometimes I have a great pair of lashes and I'll use the dual glue. And then when I peel it off, even if I'm doing it really carefully, I end up messing, you know, the lashes up and I have to throw them away. Like I just had a pair of House of Lashes and it completely destroyed them. So I was really upset. But whenever I use the House of Lash glue, I don't have any issues with that. So just keep that in mind. But I love them lashes. Okay, the next thing we have is It's Cosmetic Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This is it. I've always wondered about this cream. Okay, so it says, developed with plastic surgeons, confidence in a cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer, which I need. Okay, perfect for all skin types, which is great. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines and wrinkles, improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. This is $48. Okay. I love moisturizers. I love my La Mer. I've tried different other ones and I do love them. You hear me talking about them all the time. And this is what I love about these boxes is that they're always introducing you to all these amazing facial creams and other products. So now I'm like a little obsessed with this one. I cannot stop putting it on. Like today, I think I put it on like 3 times. I love the way this feels. It feels really good. And it's just like my new favorite moisturizer and it's $48 and I just can't stop wearing it. It's especially because it's anti-aging. I think that's why I keep putting it on too, but I like absolutely love it. All right, so Becca. Okay, so Ultimate Lipstick Love, of course, again, I put it in the box. I don't know why. And this is in the color burgundy. All right, so this is what it says about this. A moisturizing 8-hour long wear silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. There's that word again. Okay, $24. I love Becca lipsticks. I started buying them when I bought the Khloe Kardashian collection with Malika, and I just kind of fell in love with them. I really like them a lot. These crazy hairs. So they're really moisturizing. They feel good and they smell good. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I just love it. It's a great, great lipstick. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, Morphe is, okay, so you also get a Morphe, a palette, again, in the box. All right, so, oh, by the way, that lipstick is $24. I think I mentioned that. Okay, 15 Shade Artistry Palette. Indulge in infinite eye looks. This mirrored palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerful pigmented shades so you can mix, match, and blend the rules. $16. Okay, I kind of have like a love-hate thing with Morphe. I have like a million other palettes and you know, this is a really nice, handy one. It has a huge mirror, but really you kind of get, I know so many people love Morphe. I don't hate Morphe at all, you know, because obviously I buy like their palettes, the James Charles, the Jaclyn Hill. I do buy their palettes, but for some reason, I always put them in my Morphe drawer. I should show you all the palettes I have from Morphe. Okay, so this collection right here is pretty, but you kind of get what you pay for. Some of them, they blend out beautifully, and some of them are patchy. I try them out all the time because there are great palettes. Especially if you're an artist, they have all these great colors in one palette. Sometimes the palettes are a little bit too big for me to travel with. So unless I'm doing specific jobs, I kind of have to pull them out because they're just too big for me to have in my kit. But they are like kind of hit and miss. Sometimes you'll get a great eyeshadow that's great, blends out beautifully, and then you'll get another one that you kind of really have to work because it gets patchy and stuff like that. So as much as I love to buy them, I always pull them from my kit. I never really keep them in there, and I buy them, play with them for a second, and then I kind of just don't play with them again. But their shimmer colors are always great. They always perform beautifully. It's just some of these other colors, the mattes and stuff, I sometimes have issues with them. So, you know, like I said, Morphe hit and miss for me. All right, so the next thing we have here is the Deborah lippmann, O'Donnell, and Modern Love. Dual painted formula in your new Deborah lippmann 2-piece set will bring you the nail salon at home. This active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effect of gel polish without damage. And this is a $20 guide. I have not played with this. I have my little press-ons. I'm a nail chewer. I'm terrible. I stress out and I start chewing them up. But I really do like these little colors. I probably paint my toes with them because especially this color, I'm absolutely in love with it. So I think they're really cute, and I can't wait to try them because I really am a big fan of nail polishes. All right, and then the last thing we have here is the Boxycharm train case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetic case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has take the glam on the go. And this is $20, which that is true. This is it right here. Super cute. Oh my God, what the hell am I saying today? Like I said, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm still messing around. Okay, so that's because I've been working on the house. My husband and I are playing on the flower bed. We laid around for 5 hours and watched TV, you know, like we like to do. And you know, I like to do my videos and that one needs to sleep. Okay, enough about that. All right, so this is my Boxycharm bag. I love it. It holds everything. Of course, I'm already like, you know what's funny? This is what's funny is that, oh my God, I hate those hairs. I carry a ton of makeup, my makeup kits and stuff like that in my hair bag, but I always have something to touch up my bag. Does that make sense? Like I have my makeup bag for work that I could touch myself up, but I always have to have a bag. I'm like a bag freak. I have like a ton of makeup bags, and I really like this one because it does hold a ton of stuff. It's really cute, and it has like this little handle, and I think this box is like amazing. Everything in it I absolutely love. There's always something that I kind of not so happy about, but I really like it. You know, I do love my Morphe palette. I'm not trying to hate on Morphe or anything like that. They have a ton of stuff that I really do love, but you know, whatever. And then my iconic, you know, whatever I don't use on myself, I could, you know, I kind of been saving stuff from when I get to a certain amount of numbers. Then I start doing little giveaways, or I could just put it in my makeup kit or give it to a friend. Anyway, I do love this box. Anyway, that's my review for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye.